Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to enter a note into a point you've taken in FieldGenius. So this can be useful if you want to record something about the point that's specific to that point, so when you come back later you know exactly what you were thinking when you took the point. And maybe you want to add a picture, you want to add an audio recording, just so it's easier when you're coming back, you know what those points were and you can refer to something back in the office. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to show you the first way you can do this, and that's when I'm actually storing a point. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've just got the RTK simulator in FieldGenius connected, and I'm going to take a fixed solution shot. So if I click on RTK fix there in the bottom right, you're going to see that it's going to record a GNSS measurement. And since I'm using the simulator, obviously my point's not particularly spectacular. And in my store point screen, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to hit enter note there in the bottom right corner, and that's going to bring up my note for point 4 option menu here. And you can see that I got 3 different categories. I got my note, my audio note, and the camera. So if I have a camera or microphone with this data collector, so in this case I'm using my computer, so my webcam, and I have a microphone for making these videos, I can add those types of notes. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in the note column, Nolan's desk, because that's where I've recorded this point here. And then I'm going to also add a picture. So I'm going to hit the camera button down there at the bottom, and then you can see my webcam activates and you get to see my lovely face here. So I'm going to capture that picture. And then if I hit the second button there, you can see that I now have that picture saved. And then the trash can there to the right would allow me to delete that picture. So I've added my notes that I've wanted, so I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to hit Store Point. So the other way I can enter a note and add it to a point is I can head to the point database and edit an existing point. So if I open up my point database by clicking the 4-colored square there, the user button at the bottom left corner next to my plumb bob icon, that's going to bring up my point database, as that's what I have my user button programmed to by default. And you can see here I have a list of 4 points, and at the bottom there you can see that's the point I just took with the note Nolan's desk. But since I want to add a note to an existing point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on point 1 there at the top, and then in the bottom I'm going to click edit. And in my resulting edit point menu here, I'm going to hit enter note in the bottom right, and then I'm going to add a new note. Just for an example here, I'm going to say this point was recorded at the front door of my office here. So what I'm going to type is front door into my text note option there. And then I could also add a picture and audio recording, and then I'm not going to do that for this point. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to hit OK, and then store point there in the bottom. And that's all for today's video. Those are the 2 ways that you can add a point to a note in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have any other questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or anything maybe you've seen on our YouTube channel, maybe you want to know more about the Hemisphere S631 or MicroSurvey's FieldGenius and what they can do for you, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.